Fine. This is a second problem in missing character, right? So let us check out here. As I already explained, I told you in this kind of problem they will give a figure or a group of figure. So we have to identify the pattern. It may be addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, square root, whatever the method you are going to adopt or apply, so that you should get the answers here. See, let us check out here. So first figure I'll take first, second, and once we applied the rule, whatever the rule we identify, the same rule we have to apply to the third figure to get the answer for the question mark, that is missing number or missing character. Here in this case it is a missing number. Now let us check out here. So we got 6 here, 8, 14. Now how to get 6? So by observing this image or this figure, we can easily identify that is 10 minus 4 is equal to 6, right? 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. Similarly, 18 minus 10 is equal to 8 and 18 minus 4 is equal to 14. The same method I am going to adopt here. 22 minus 4, the difference between these two. See, 22 minus 14 is going to be 8, right? So 14 minus 8 is 6 and 22 minus 8 is 14. So now what is happening here? So these two number, the difference of these two is going to get the middle number. See, similarly 15 minus 11 is 4, yes. 11 minus 5 is 6, yes. Then this should be 15 minus 5, that is going to be 10. The answer is here is C.